Hi, welcome to Adorn Ensemble channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you a DIY earrings organizer so that you can store all your precious earrings in one place securely. So let's get started. So this is the necklace box which I have. So I'm gonna use this today. So first we need to take out this velvet sheet which I have inside. So with the help of any sharp object, slowly and carefully take out this. Now you can see the velvet sheet has been separated. Now the box is ready for sticking those earring holders. If you want, you can decorate. You can stick any felt sheet or foam sheet or velvet sheet here, or you can use it directly. So today I'm using this directly. These are the empty jewelry boxes which I'm not using. So I thought of reusing them. So instead of making this earrings holder separately, you can reuse this. So what you need to do is just take any of this box and carefully you can pull it out. See, carefully, see, you can pull it out. It will come out very easily. So instead of throwing them, you can reuse this. So carefully take out for all the earring holders. See. Be gentle while pulling it out. See, now I have separated all the earring boxes and these holders. Now simply stick this earring holder so to the box which you are preparing your earring organizer. If you don't have these, it's no problem. This is very easy to prepare. I'll show you how to prepare this. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare this earring holders. To prepare this earring holder, the things you need is a cardboard sheet and a velvet sheet. The sheets, you'll get it in A4 size sheets. If you don't have this velvet sheet, you can prepare with velvet cloth as well. See, this is a velvet cloth. If you are comfortable, you can directly use with this without any paper stiff attaching. Or if you're not comfortable using velvet cloth, what you can do is simply turn the cloth backside and attach a paper stiff, light paper stiff, so that it will be easy to work with. So whichever is available to you, you can use it. So the result with either of the velvet cloth or velvet sheet will be same. So you can use either of this. Today I'm using velvet sheet. So first what you need to do is, this earring holder is from my old jewelry box. So today I'm using this as my reference. So if you don't have one, you can use the size as per your choice. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm simply trace this out. I have cut two of these. Now you have to cut the velvet sheet. Similarly, cut the velvet sheet. See, this is the velvet sheet which I have cut it in similar way. But the only thing you need to do is cut 1 centimeter extra all sides. See, 1 centimeter extra all the sides. And now before attaching, you need to, starting from here, bend it like this, both the sides, fold it fold it both the sides. See, so that the holder will stand in place like this. Now you can see the earring holder has got its shape already. Now what we need to do is, see, wherever we got this fold, we need to trim. Mark this here. So you need to mark both the sides here. Wherever the fold comes, you need to mark it. And then fold it and cut it in V shape. Like this. See. Cut it in V shape like this. And then you have to stick it. See, now I have sticked it. See, this is at the back, this is in the front. So we have already folded it. So the folding comes to the velvet cloth as it is. See, what we need to do is place 2 slits here. Now I have made these 2 slits so that in that slits we can place the earrings like this. See, so this is one earring holder. You can prepare similar way how many earring holders you want. So today I need 9 earring holders. So I'll make all those 9 earrings and I'll show the next step. So 1, 2, see, these are the earring holders which I have prepared today. Now what I'm gonna do this is, so now I'll stick these holders in the box, see, like this. Now slowly stick one by one into the box. Now I have sticked all the earring holders in this box. Now you can place all the earrings in one place. Now my organizer is ready and I have placed all my earrings in this box. So this is how the final organizer looks like. So all my earrings are now secured in one box like this. See, this is how it looks. Along with this organizer, I have one more smaller box like this. In this box, I can fit only 4 earring holders. So this will be like mini organizer. According to the size of your jewelry box, you can accommodate the earring holders. In this total, I got 9 earring holders. If you have a bigger box than this, you can stick more number of this earring holders so that you can store more number of earrings. I hope you guys enjoyed this organizer tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.